a priori algorithm. It is very useful algorithm in machine learning, as well as we can also use of this algorithm. We can also see use of this algorithm in our daily life. For example, I give one or two example. For example, a person hai, means one person buy tea as well as milk. So how much probability that he can buy sugar? So by this algorithm we can find the probability that he or she can buy this by this number of probability. That for example if someone buy burger bun as well as cheese, so how much probability that he or she buy ketchup? So by this algorithm we can find it by very easy method. So without any further delay, we move on the implementation part. So first we import a important library NumPy matplotlib, that is used for C graph in a visual method, pandas for our data set, and algorithm for import a priori algorithm. So I just run this cell. After this we can import our dataset. I also give this dataset in the description below, or as well as this notebook file in the description, so you can find it. So after that, store data.head, it will give the top 5 value. If you want 10 value, just put 10 in the bracket, you can find 10 value. After that, we also add header equals to none to different this 0 1 2 3 in the form, so that this row also come in the below. So by this we can do this, header equals to none. So header equals to none, so 0 1 2 3 4 it come in this form. After that we can find the data set, shape of the data set, that how many columns and row in this data set. So 7501 is the column and 20 rows. Indexing, remember always indexing start from 0 and 19, so that's why it's shown 19. Then after that we convert this dataset is panda data frame, so we convert it into the list so that we can see by in a easy way. So by converting data frame into list, you can use this record equals to and run the loop for I in range, and just run this loop. After that you can add record that we get from here: minimum support, minimum confidence, minimum lift, or minimum length. So you can also vary these parameter according to your data set. So minimum length equals to 2 I taken because I just want 2. For example, if you want 2 in the sense, if I buy tea, so how much probability that I buy sugar, so it will give 2. For example, if you want 3, so just put 3. For example, if I want buy tea plus sugar, so how much probability that I buy milk, so in this we get, means we put 3 here. So I just run 2. Then to print the list in this in a list form, we run this. Then we can find the length of the list, at how many length, so there is 48. Then we print only first for a 48 rows are there, means 48 lists are formed, so just we need to print, or I just print only one, so 0 I put 0. If I want to print 1, so I just put 1, then I will get this. Or if I want print 0, means first row, then I got this. And after that the main algorithm works. So it's just rule, support, and confidence left that we put here. Just you have to run this and you get this result. For example, if someone buys light cream, so probability that he buy chicken, so support is this, confidence is this, and left is this. for example mushroom cream source escalope. So by this you can find the probability that how much take. Hope you understand, and thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comment box. I try to sort it out as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.